Hello guys, welcome to my channel Animation Blaster. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create particle from the mesh. So let's get started. Very first I will go in effects mode. Here you can find effects. Then I will create one surface. Okay, it's no matter what is the number of edges, so leave it as it, and then select this surface and go to N particle, and here you can find the option emit from object. So click this checkbox. I will first reset this setting. I will set emitter name plane. Create new solver. Okay. Emitter type will be changed omni to surface. Rate particle per second will be 500, and other thing leave as it is, and then click create. Now you can see particle is creating from the object. It is creating all around the surface. Okay, but the particle is going in negative direction, so I will change it to positive. So first select this particle, go in attribute editor here, and then you will find the nucleus gravity. Change its direction to 1. This is x, y, g. Our direction in y, so let's play it. Now particle is going in positive direction, but the particle will live forever. As you can see, particle is endless. So I will change its life, when we go in N particle shape, we will see option lifespan mode life forever. I will change it to constant and change the value to 1.5. Now play again. Okay, so particle is died here. Now I will change its shape. So for changing the shape, go in shading. Here you can see the shading option. Click on this. Now here you can see particle render type is point. So I will change it to a sphere. Now the particle has been changed to a sphere. Color optimum use lighting will not work here. Okay, you can also change the particle size. Okay, now I will change the particle color. So in this setting you will find a color option. Here is every setting is separate. Like if you want to change the opacity, you can change from here, color for here, incandescence for here. So every setting is separate. Setting is here. So I will go in color option and change it to blue. Here is one color. I would like to add 3 color, so I will add one more and click on this red color. red, blue, and one should be pink. So here you can see there is three type of color I have been added, but you are only seeing there is only red color in the scene. So for mixing the color I have to change here the color input. Sorry, color input constant, change it to edge, normal edged, speed. In other section I will explain what is the difference of this color input. I will just select the edge, and here you can see all color has been mixed. Now if you increase the color randomize option, you can change the variation of color. Okay, if I play it and change the color will be mixed up. Okay, so this is the option where we have seen the particle emitted from all over the surface. But what if we want the particle emit from an selected face? In the Maya there is no option to emit the particle from the selected faces. So I have a trick. What I will do, I have the character, okay, and now I want the particle should emit from this area. So what I will do, I will first select faces where I want to produce the particle. Select the area. After selecting these faces, go into modeling, then go to edit mesh and click on duplicate, separate duplicate faces. Okay, so we have a duplicate faces of this area. The particle will emit from this duplicate face. So select this face and again go to FX, click on end particle, emit from object. Just reset this setting, click on character and then click to surface and then create. Now play again. Now particle is emitting from this selected faces. First I will hide this duplicate face and now play. Okay, so particle is going to G direction. So I will select this particle and go to attribute editor and go in end particle shape, find the shading. Here is the shading. I will change particle render type point to asterisk. Okay, click on color occlusion and use lighting. Tail fade will be -1 and tail size you can define as you want way, and now play again. Okay, decrease some size 3 I think. Okay, I will change lifespan mode life forever to constant. change the value 1.5. Play again. It's okay. Now I will change its color. So go in color. In the color I will change its color to red, then blue, and then pink. Play again. Color input change to age and increase its value. Now you are seeing the color has been changed. I will increase the number of particles, so go in characters to particle rate per second is only 100. I will change it to 500. Now play again. Change it to 1.7. Okay, so in this tutorial we have learned how to create the particle from the selected faces and selected meshes. There are much more things in particle that I will make the tutorial in our next session. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my tutorial. Thank you so much.